मेरे मन में सवाल उठता है, ये प्रभु ये कैसे होगा? प्रभु ने तो कुछ जवाब नहीं दिया। तब ये प्रभु ने सोचा कि गांधी जी जिस साल भारत आए थे उनकी शताब्दी वर्ष में भारतीय रेल को एक भेंट मिलनी चाहिए कि परिस्थिति बदल सकती है, रास्ते खोजे जा सकते हैं। इतना बड़ा देश, इतना बड़ा नेटवर्क, इतने सारे रिसोर्सेज, इतनी विशाल मैन पावर, इतनी स्ट्रांग पॉलिटिकल विल, तो फिर क्यों नहीं हो सकता रेल का पुनर्जन्म?
Presenting his maiden rail budget, Suresh Prabhu was very much aware of the challenges that lay ahead on his path. Prabhu endeavored to maintain a perfect balance between the challenges of revenue generation and expectations from the rail budget, which for a long period had been a victim of populist policies. Prabhu underlined 4 goals he has set for making railway journey a passenger friendly while ultimately making the public carrier financially viable.
We have fixed 4 goals for ourselves. Goal number 1, to deliver a sustained and measurable improvement in customer experience. The goal number 2, make rail a safer means of travel. Third, expand Bharatiya Rail's capacity substantially and to modernize its infrastructure. Fourth, objective is to finally make Bharatiya Rail financially self-sustainable.
Decongestion of the railway traffic has been a major concern for railways. To ease this pressure across the nation, Railway has sanctioned fast-track expansion of 7,000 km of existing railway routes. At the same time, 1,200 km of new lines will be commissioned in the year 2015-16. An expansion of 77 projects covering 9,400 km of existing rail lines and the electrification has been announced. This will cost over 96,000 crore rupees. The efforts to smoothen the rail traffic finds priority in this year's railway budget, and Rail Minister has given 2,374 crore rupees for this purpose. The Railway Minister announced that long-haul journeys between metros like Delhi, Kolkata and Delhi, Mumbai could be covered overnight now. Speed of 9 railway corridor is to be increased from 110 km to 140 km and from 160 km to 200 km per hour. Freight movement will be faster as freight trains could touch a speed of 100 km per hour. Country moves a step closer to realize dream of bullet train. The feasibility study of bullet train on Mumbai-Ahmedabad route is expected by mid of this year. An innovation council, Kaya Kalp, will be set up for introducing a spirit of innovation in railways. Indian Railways will have auditing of train operations and energy savings. Also, land resources will be digitized. New strategy to be chalked out to tap the advertising potential of the railway stations and train through corporate branding. A full-fledged university to be set up during 2015-16. 4 railway research centers to be set up in the select universities. Malviya Chair for Railway Technologies at IIT to be set up. For the green initiatives, Prabhu announced a number of sustainability and energy optimization steps. An environment directorate is being set up to focus on environment management. 1,000 megawatt of solar plants will be set up by the developer on the railway land. Water auditing and expansion of water harvesting system has been announced in this year's railway budget. 100 demo trains will be enabled for dual fuel CNG and diesel. To give a fillip to tourism, Incredible Rail in line with Incredible India will be launched. Railway Minister announced that IRCTC is working on promoting Gandhi Circuit to mark the occasion of 100 years of the return of Mahatma Gandhi to India from South Africa. Also, Kisan Yatra to be launched for farmers for farming and marketing technique centers. Railway Minister has announced that all initiative announced in this budget will be taken in mission mode. It gives a hope that people will be able to experience these initiatives soon. Business Desk, DD News.